Hello everyone, it's Rainbow Runner. Welcome back to another Railfanning episode. I believe this is episode number 32 of the main series. Anyways, we have a westbound train. I'm here with Austyn, aka Arizona Railfanner. So, Elliot Road again. The signal's green right here. So, any second the signal should activate. Here we go. The signals are activating. Here we go. Union Pacific 4911. The ties are actually moving a little bit. And with that, there's the end of the train. The end of train devices on it. All right, and now the crossing signals are rising. They've deactivated and the red signal is still showing. Okay, now up there, it's still going. Now the train is past Gilbert, and now their signals are rising. All right, so that'll be it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and thank you again, Arizona Railfanner, Austyn Simmons. We'll see you next time. See ya.